Hello guys, in today's tutorial I would like to show you how to make your simple press of word on Canva application to have a little bit of animation. For example, I already prepared this word and I want to make it have a typewriter animation. To do that, click the text that you already prepared on your Canva application and swipe left until you found animation tools here. Then click the animate, and then I would like to have a typewriter animation. Then I click the typewriter, and after that, now your text will have an animation of typewriter. To see the result, you can click the play button up here, and now it's finished. After that, don't forget to save the project that you already finished by click this button beside of your play button up here, just by clicking it, and click download, and now it's done. Now you can make your own animation word on your Canva application. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.